Welcome to Ajayastra Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on key commodities. Today, we focus on the cotton markets in North India, where recent developments have led to a noticeable decline in prices. As we delve into the current scenario, it's evident that cotton prices have softened across the major markets in Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. This decline can be largely attributed to the weak demand from spinning mills, which have been hesitant to increase their inventory levels. Adding to this downward pressure, no fresh arrivals of kapas have been reported in these states, further contributing to the subdued market conditions. Interestingly, this domestic decline comes despite a recent uptick in the global market. Last Friday, ICE cotton futures showed positive movement, with the December 2024 futures contract gaining 1.1 cents, closing at 68.34 cents. Similarly, the March 2025 futures contract rose by 0.95 cents, reaching 69.68 cents, while the May 2025 contract increased by 0.92 cents, settling at 70.91 cents. Even though today's electronic trading on ICE opened on a higher note, the global demand for cotton remains weak, weighed down by high production estimates in the United States. These global dynamics have not been sufficient to uplift the domestic cotton prices, which continue to face challenges. Looking ahead, traders in the region are anticipating new arrivals of kapas within the next month. This expectation has led spinning mills to adopt a cautious approach, avoiding the accumulation of large inventories. Simultaneously, Gunners are eager to clear out their existing stock before the new crop comes to market. These factors combined have contributed to the prevailing downward trend in cotton prices. On the other hand, it's worth noting that cottonseed prices have remained stable, with no significant fluctuations reported. In the producer mandis of Punjab and Haryana, cottonseed prices have been steady, ranging between 3,000 rupees and 3,200 rupees per quintal. Upper Rajasthan has seen slightly higher prices, with cottonseed trading between 3,100 rupees and 3,400 rupees per quintal. In the domestic futures market, kapas prices have shown a slight upward movement. For instance, the April 2025 futures contract on NCDEX saw an increase of 3 rupees and 50 paise, bringing the price to 1,577 rupees per 20 kg. Now, as we turn our attention to spot delivery prices, we observe some regional variations. In Punjab, cotton prices have ranged from 5,675 rupees to 5,700 rupees per mond, translating to 54,000 rupees to 54,200 rupees per candy. Haryana has seen slightly lower prices, with cotton trading between 5,575 rupees and 5,600 rupees per mond, or 53,100 rupees to 53,300 rupees per candy. Moving to Upper Rajasthan, prices have varied more widely, ranging from 5,375 rupees to 5,775 rupees per mond, equivalent to 51,300 rupees to 55,000 rupees per candy. The town of Pilani in Rajasthan has followed a similar trend, with prices also fluctuating between 5,375 rupees and 5,775 rupees per mond. Meanwhile, in Lower Rajasthan, cotton prices have edged higher, reaching between 55,000 rupees and 55,200 rupees per candy for spot delivery. As we conclude today's analysis, it's clear that the cotton market in North India is experiencing a period of caution and adjustment. With the upcoming arrival of new crops, all eyes will be on how the market responds in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching Ajayastra Money Guru. We appreciate your continued support, and we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates and analysis. Until next time, stay informed and make wise trading decisions.